I'm Tom from Do It Yourself Home Automation. This is a look at how I've been using my Amazon Smart Plug here in my chicken shed. So these chickens like to have a light on during the day, especially when it's the kind of chillier, darker winter months. And so what I've done here is to install this Amazon Smart Plug. This connects into the power cord, and then that goes to this nice light here. And what this allows me to do is to actually set a timer in the Alexa app so that I can turn this light on and off depending on the time of day automatically. I can also control it from my phone remotely, and if you want to switch it on and off where you are, you just press the button on the side. You can see I can switch the light on and off manually there too. But I have this set to come on at 7 in the morning, go off at 11 at night, so they have a consistent amount of light. And it works here great in my shed, but you can use it for lamps around your house, even small appliances, if you want to turn a fan on at a certain time of day, or just give Alexa control to basically any small device in your house. Very simple, you just connect it to your Wi-Fi with the Alexa app, plug it into a plug strip like I have here, or an outlet, then you just plug whatever you want to control in, and you can give it a name in the app, and then just easily switch it on and off. So this works great for this remote shed outside of my house, but I also use them for lamps around the house and all kinds of other purposes. And that's the Amazon Smart Plug.